good evening and welcome on Top the Night Show for today. My name is Nedu and Katim, and easy bit to don't sit down on Top the Night Show to make sure so you get better evening. Today we'll get guests on top the show. But before we start with our guests, keep quiet now.
Father, is he your father? Do you have father?
Breeze don't enter again.
Hey, breeze don't blow. We don't see fire. Oh, see me. Father. Father. So, like we were saying, we get guests. Father. Father. I say, I know what you want, or the devil is a liar. So you are calling me devil. Father, daddy. So you were saying, sweetie, sweet man.
Anyway, we get
we get guests inside studio.
And Oscar, our guest for today, Morientez. Don't sit down for instance today. But before we talk to Morientez, you get two things when they say we're supposed to discuss. Now when Ruki Sanda post that picture? Una know Ruki Sanda where they act film, Nigerian film. You don't see that picture?
No.
Today, Ufuna, those of Ufuna when they follow her for Instagram. All these guys when they take selfish, cause selfie can't boy I don't know. So Ruki Sanda take one picture. I don't know, do we have that picture? Do we have it? If we get my bag man, see the picture where Ruki Sanda takes. She posts them for Instagram. Meanwhile, look inside that picture. You gonna see somebody where they're inside, where no wear cloth, and he's a man. Who is that man?
That's $1 million question now.
Now, what thing will they ask me that? We don't know who the man be, but the one when they say, why did they tell you before we start the show, before this one come vex me, and case will join vex me. One case they caught now, for one magistrate court.
What happened?
The woman say not the money again.
It's not by force.
Say because I said the husband machine gun. Say because I said the husband machine gun. Say it too plenty. You know, sir, I consider we are there, come the think come. They can stand up. I sit down we are there, they think come. Say lawyer. For example, now easy bit you come now. Now you okay, Morientez come. Now you be the man. Katim, you are the court. Now you be judge. My lord, this man here. Okay, easy bit. Now you go say, make me wait with the lawyer where they say make the no marry again.
Okay.
Contact for them.
All right. Okay, fine. Who is defending this man? Please, can you step forward and...
I am here, sir.
Okay.
My lord, I am here in this court today. This woman says she cannot marry this man because his machine gun is reaching the ground. My lord, permit me to show you what the woman said is too much.
Overrule, sustain.
I can't imagine, say,
the judge will say,
for court.
The judge will say sustain. Say, oh yeah, proceed.
Oh yeah, proceed. Let me see it. The man will come like this. Okay, see you. Does this look like the bench? This is one they call now.
Just say, okay, you wicked.
Anyway, una don't see this small video of Morientez. Morientez, welcome on Top the Night Show. How you doing? How is your ministry?
Fine.
See, this guy fine face.
Be fresh. You just say, no, they use cream.
No, I do alright.
You dey bleach?
Fresh boy.
You know go talk now.
The same cream where bless say you dey rub the same cream where Cynthia Morgan dey rub.
No, normal cream. No, my normal.
I be Ruki Sanda. You know Ruki Sanda black where before? Yeah, Cynthia Morgan.
No, I didn't. My normal.
No, person black past the other one. No, they not black.
Who black pass who? No, is it black Cynthia Morgan black pass Ruki Sanda?
No.
Who black? Okay.
My brother, no.
Ruki Sanda black pass Cynthia Morgan.
Cynthia.
Yeah, now Cynthia black.
I don't see a throwback picture.
You don't see a throwback picture?
You see Rookie Surulere picture. You see him?
How do you name now? Look at you.
Okay.
Look at you too. Now she show you. She never she went on the what name am I going to answer now?
Rukayat.
Rukayat.
No, maybe somebody will say Rukayat. I say no. It's too somehow. Rooks.
Rooks.
No.
No, Rooks be like dog name. Rooks.
How about Ruka? Say no.
No, Ruka be like Ruka be like that those corn food. Ruka. What about Ruka? He said no.
Say,
How about Rookie? Oh, Rookies.
Oh, that's it.
Come on, name again.
Rookie.
Oh, come on, name again. Rookie. Oh, come on, name again. Now so she can't begin to answer Rookie. Now sure, maybe the papa name no be Sander.
No.
Oh, before.
Your papa name. So, but check him.
No, maybe
Add L for the back of the sandal. Sandal.
Rookie sandals.
Maybe papa they make shoe.
Yes, I know, shoemaker.
Rookie sandal.
Yes.
Sandal.
No, put
Now
S.
my friend do.
Rookie sandals.
Rookie baby, you know I love you, baby.
No, we love you.
We love you. Forget this. We want to talk. We love you. Forget. We love you. You know, say we love you.
We just talk who black pass.
We just talk who black pass before. Now you're black, Abby. Hey. Katim not be like this before.
No.
Forget. But you know, say get some kind of bleaching cream not work for them body. You don't say some person. See bleaching.
This is never work.
Bleaching cream can never work for some person. Highest na nose na go bleach. Gordons, Sheila,
Benga.
Denka. Anyway, Morientes, to start with, I beg. Katim say you come from Spain. Where you come from?
Nigeria.
Where I know say Nigeria. Where from Nigeria you come from?
Delta State.
Delta. Where from Delta?
I beg. I beg. When they watch this television show, whoever don't hear any Delta man, they answer Morientes. M-O-R-I-E-N-T-E.
This guy is supposed there for Telemundo.
T-E-Z. Yes.
Yeah, Morientes, papi.
Yes. They were not doing her.
You come to Jericho.
Yes.
Yeah, Nedu.
Yes.
And Gaetano.
And you go fit am.
And you go fit, but check and think, enter Telemundo. Now you go be the black guy where go the clean horse.
Yes.
Breeze will come the blow.
They didn't know wear shirt.
You know wear shirt?
They go oiling body.
They go oil your body.
Yes.
No, if you go wear shirt now, no satin. Where the white go to see through. Breeze will come blank. Piam. Then you come up, the bottle will come open. Piam. You come send the waka.
Then you turn around. Maybe somebody call you Morientes.
Morientes.
They'll show you slow motion.
Yeah.
You just turn around. Oh my God. Then they repeat that turn around 3 times.
Anyway, Morientes, wait, not vex. What is the original name where Mama Papa give you?
Really?
Chukudi.
Chukudi.
Chukudi, Morientes.
Yes.
Is it Saint Maurice?
I don't know. I don't know.
You know, say we now because I
Okay, Chukudi something. Chukudi waiting.
Ubido Chukudi.
Ubido Chukudi. But wait, like where the Morientes come
I
from?
don't know.
From school. I get out from school. That time I did play football for school back then.
Yeah?
Okay, why?
So they can't take you...
Somebody football named Morientes.
Fernando.
Oh, that Italian Fernando Morientes. Spanish.
Very cute, but I don't know how
You know the Zembo?
Small. Just say get long hair.
You know that.
So you just begin to answer Morientes?
No, not just you know, say back then for school, I did play football. You know, I did play football well. You know, you get
as
one,
market not set for football, now you enter music.
no be say market.
not pick
No
you.
be say market no say. You know how they be pass.
No,
where
no,
you
no.
just
We don't know.
at a point in time, you know, you just gas they where the thing you don't really do too much.
No, what you say you not play now? Now what you with the talk since?
No,
You say you not play well.
but you know, say for them to call me Morientes, that means say I good.
So what didn't gonna happen? What was the glitch in the...
Because I didn't tell me quick. Morihun is my personal friend.
Yes, we forgot.
Shebi, Alex Ferguson sent me call me back message
Yes,
that day.
yes.
He sent me call me back now. I can't call him.
Not
see him,
try
I see him.
yourself.
He said, before when you sign up now, he asked me now.
see
Shebi that day, now you see the call, come
Yes.
give me.
I said, you need to call back. Call back.
Now even me they charge your phone, say I see him.
Anyway, once we watch the video of Morientes, now we don't watch small. Before Kesolo, I tell her making cut and make on the vex. But anyway, once we watch the full video of Morientes, and when we come back, we go ask her. Una know the question we go ask her, but when they come back, still on top of the nation. Those questions, Una know already now. We are going to ask it. When they come back. Only that video, 3 girls. The first one, the mama don't cut this thing well. You know what did they cut this thing? What did they cut this? What people?
Your navel.
Navel. Mama don't cut them so the thing just poof like this. The top move, come on, that is. That guy was a waka. She thinks anything sexy.
Hey.
She just waka. Don't carry yellow shirt.
Maybe get people well like her. No, Morientes go talk now. You get people well like her.
Okay, for example, now you know, say you get one thing where they see for Instagram. When get one stretch for this side, when stretch mark for this side. They toss in everything. Some people like, but I say it's sexy.
Wait. I dey come. Morientes, I dey come. You see, Katim touch me now. She know.
She know, I mean? Hey!
She know. No, you don't know what she know. Yeah, they happy. Hey!
Give am.
What do you find go girl bum bum?
My brother.
You know, say,
So you know, say he dey on the right hand side.
When you know, say
He say on the right hand side. Yes.
How you take know?
I don't know.
Hey! Jump again!
I don't know.
but then I try to talk, we say some people love that belly button. You understand?
Some people like stretch. You, which one you like? Like stretch mark, or you like belly button?
Or you like two of them?
Or you like mouth odor or body odor? Which one you like?
Or general order.
Or general odor?
Because some people, you talk about some people.
You like armpit?
Maybe you like, you know.
Amplify.
Man, I ask
Possible.
How many girls did that video?
Well, they plenty, but now one lead girl.
Okay, the girl we did with you now one.
Now one lead girl.
Every time we get deal with you, only one I did
Now
with
only
you.
one, but you know, say many other people did the video, so we share and give the rest.
Okay, now share and give. Not vex, I want to ask you something. Not be say anything, no.
No, na normal question.
Na normal question.
Even people where they watch go understand.
Even when they watch, then go understand.
Okay.
That girl now. Now when I shoot the video finish.
That same day.
How many hours?
How many hours
yes.
I take shoot the video?
Like 5-6 hours.
Okay, like
to 7
he
hours.
enter night.
Yeah, enter night.
Like what time for night?
Like 11.
11. And you see the question I want to ask you now. You see that girl will get Otubo like that.
No be that one girl, na the
That
lead
one girl. Because she can't know say her Otubo big. She can't cover them. Now, where can that girl will cover her Otubo now?
When all the other girls.
Where all the other girls escort.
Yes.
So after una shoot video finish,
Yes.
you can go. She can go.
Una say bye bye.
Una say bye bye. Say bye
My
bye.
baba now. My baba.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I go my house, she go out.
So around 11 o'clock for night, you say make she dey go.
You know even say maybe somebody can waylay her.
You
or something
understand?
can happen
Something happen to the
to her.
girl.
We keep them professional in the sense, say, you know, say at the point in time, just guys supposed to be like that, professional P.
Yeah. We know. See, even us, they do professional P.
She go out. She was safe.
We know,
She safely reach house.
How you know?
I take message safely reach us.
Because my manager actually called the director. Say she did.
Oh, she called you after she reach
No,
us.
our manager called the director. Say she don't reach out.
So every girl get manager now. Chukwudi! Oh God! I'm gonna lie, not fit you. So you look us finish, you see mark for our face. You see mark for our face, Abi? Say you just go.
Look at very well.
The girl go.
You go. She just go.
After she carry her Otubo, which not dey show anybody, show you Otubo. Then you can't cover off her front. Can't they point her finger?
No,
She can't they look you, they smile with the contour where she put for face.
Showmanship.
Showmanship. Hey, Onane, what's your showmanship?
It's okay.
Anyway, let me ask you something
Everybody.
now. Now, when you decide, say, as I be sing, why just enter music?
2006.
2006.
Yeah.
Like 10 years now.
That was like 10 years now.
Now you go professional.
Yeah, because I was in school then.
Okay.
I studied chemistry.
Yeah?
You like this.
Yeah.
So you do all these weights.
Yeah.
So she did like this.
Yes, now.
Chemistry. What for? So now chemistry is supposed to say now.
Waiting be the.
If I Chukwudi and Sons chemist.
Yes.
So
Waiting be the.
basically, waiting come up and be say, I just, because back then we dey go choir practice for.
Inside this your chemistry.
No.
Wetin you
One
do?
was small. One was small. My mom see go call everybody.
Wetin carry you enter chemistry?
Moku go.
Sodium oxide.
wait,
What is the
wait,
formula?
wait,
No,
wait.
Nedu.
Katim, wait, if
What
you
is
explain
sodium
something.
oxide?
Wait, make you explain talk. Continue.
You go give
Hold
us
your
time to
question.
think
Hold your
about
question.
So basically, back
go
then
change the question.
that one was small. We go choir practice. We dey try.
Say the close eye.
Mom see they always they put am say everybody get ready for
Everybody,
Mama,
how many una be?
Mama the adult choir then.
Oh.
So she just say okay because me I did children's choir. My sister did teen choir.
How many una be?
Be 3.
Okay.
So all of una dey choir.
No, just me and my sister.
Wetin do the third one? You know just.
That
No be line. No be.
The third one not fit sing.
It's a mommy.
If you open mouth, whole church go close.
So yeah, I started with football. After I started with football, went into school, wanted to play for the school team. But you know, say politics, the day and everything.
Not true, everything.
When we say you go training, go play. The match day go come. They will call person wait on the sleep for a house. When they come train, come play. You know, things just dey frustrating. I just give up. Make I could go face chemistry. So one day I did pass one place like that. Now I hear music from one room. I enter there, I see in a studio there. Now I meet the guy. I tell the guy, I say, my studio there. He say, yeah, this is the studio. Like the guy say, can you sing? I say, yeah, I can sing.
So not be God call you, now you call God for this music.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.